All right, listen up. Are you tired of the same old make money online advice? Forget the noise. Today we're diving deep into the digital underworld to uncover 10 hidden gems, strategies so potent, they're practically whispered among the elite. Get ready to unlock your financial future. First, consider niche micro SaaS. Build tiny software solutions for hyper-specific problems. Think small, solve big for a select few, and watch recurring revenue flow in. This isn't about building the next Facebook, it's about precision. Next, master AI prompt engineering. The future is AI, and those who can command it with expert prompts are invaluable. Sell your meticulously crafted prompts or offer services to businesses struggling to get AI to perform. It's a new frontier. Then there's digital product flipping. Find undervalued digital assets like established websites, unique domain names, or even template libraries. Polish them up, add value, and resell for a significant profit. It's like real estate, but entirely online. Our fourth secret is high-ticket niche affiliate marketing. Move beyond common products. Focus on expensive, specialized services or software in underserved markets. The commissions are massive, and the competition is often minimal. Fifth, explore online arbitrage on obscure platforms. Everyone knows Amazon and eBay. But what about specialized forums, niche marketplaces, or even international sites? Find unique items cheap and sell them where demand is high. Sixth, offer content repurposing services. Creators are drowning in content but lack time. Help them transform one video into blog posts, social media snippets, and podcasts. You become an indispensable part of their growth engine. Seventh, specialize in virtual event production. As online gatherings become standard, businesses need experts to manage the technical backend, streaming, and audience engagement. Become the wizard behind the digital curtain. Eighth, contribute to data annotation and labeling for AI. This is the unseen work powering artificial intelligence. Companies pay for humans to accurately label data, making AI smarter. It's a crucial, growing field. Ninth, curate digital subscription boxes. Instead of physical goods, offer monthly curated packages of premium digital resources, tools, or exclusive content. Provide ongoing value and build a loyal subscriber base. Finally, our 10th gem, personalized AI chatbot development. Small businesses need custom chatbots for customer service or lead generation. Learn to build and deploy these intelligent assistants, offering a bespoke solution. These aren't just ideas, they're blueprints. The digital world is vast, and these hidden paths are waiting for you to explore. Stop waiting for permission. Start building your empire today.